Hi there. Today, we're going to show you how to set up your Tilt Pico quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, take your Tilt Pico out of the box and lay out all of the components. You should have the Pico itself, a USB wall adapter, and the included micro USB cable. Start by plugging the micro USB cable into the power adapter. Then plug the adapter into the wall. You'll see the LED on the Pico start flashing about once per second. That means it's powered on and ready to connect to Wi-Fi. Next, we'll set up the Wi-Fi connection. Grab your phone and open the Tilt app. If you don't have it yet, the back of your Pico has a QR code. Scan it, and it will take you directly to the app page. Select your phone type and the correct app store. In this example, we're using an iPhone, so we'll go to the App Store and download the Tilt Hydrometer app. When you first open the app, it will ask for Bluetooth and location permissions. Be sure to accept both. These are required to set up your Pico. Once permissions are granted, tap the green tilt button in the app. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your Pico. We recommend a name referencing its location, such as garage or closet. Then, enter your Wi-Fi network name and password. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, since that's how the Pico communicates. When you send the Wi-Fi password, the app encrypts it before sending, so your credentials are stored securely. This setup process usually takes about 15 to 20 seconds. While the Pico is connecting, you'll notice the LED flashing faster. Once the connection is complete, the app may ask for permission to access other devices on your Wi-Fi network. Accept this as well. Once everything is connected, the app will confirm your Pico is online. If you see a temporary error about Wi-Fi, don't worry. That usually just means a permission hasn't been granted yet. Now you're ready to start logging your brew. Tap Start New Beer, enter a name, for example, Demo Beer, your email address, and your keg type. Your Tilt Hydrometer is now floating in water and the Pico is actively logging data. If you're connecting to Google Sheets, you'll see a yellow lightning bolt icon at the top, indicating it's connecting. When it turns green, your data is successfully logging. And that's it. Your Tilt Pico is set up, connected, and ready to help you track your fermentation with ease. If you have any issues or questions, email us at support@baronbrew.com. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing.